What if another version of you is already living the life you've always dreamed of? What if you could step into that reality, learn from that self, and bring back the knowledge, confidence, and power to transform your own life? This is quantum jumping, a mysterious practice that allows you to explore infinite realities and unlock the hidden potential of your parallel selves. Quantum jumping is not science fiction. It is a method that combines concepts from quantum physics, consciousness studies, and spiritual practices. It's about connecting with alternate versions of yourself to gain insights, skills, and confidence that help you improve your current life. In this video, we will explore what quantum jumping is, how it works, real-life examples, exercises to try, and the science behind it. Quantum jumping is the idea that infinite versions of you exist in parallel realities. Every choice you make creates a different path. In one reality, you took that job offer. In another, you didn't. In one, you learned a skill. In another, you didn't. Every decision splits reality into multiple possibilities. Quantum jumping is the practice of mentally shifting your consciousness into one of these alternate realities. You can observe, communicate with, or even learn from your parallel self. This doesn't mean you physically leave your body. It means your mind connects with the infinite possibilities that already exist. The concept is inspired by quantum physics, specifically the many worlds interpretation, which suggests that every possible outcome happens in its own universe. Imagine life as a tree, where each decision grows a new branch. Quantum jumping lets you explore the other branches without moving physically. Quantum jumping works because consciousness is not limited by time or space. Your mind can reach into alternate realities through visualization, meditation, and focused intention. When you connect with a parallel self, you gain knowledge, confidence, and insight that can help you in your current life. Many people experience quantum jumping as sudden insights or creative solutions, feeling guidance from a wiser version of themselves, increased confidence and clarity, and a sense of alignment and flow in life. It's important to note that quantum jumping is not about escaping reality. It's about borrowing knowledge and energy from your parallel selves to enhance your life. Many top athletes use visualization, a form of quantum jumping. Michael Phelps, for instance, imagined winning every race, down to every stroke and breath. By doing this, he connected with a version of himself who had already succeeded, which trained his body and mind to perform at the highest level. Writers and artists often describe stepping into another version of themselves to access ideas. J.K. Rowling imagined her characters acting out stories in her mind before writing them. This is a subtle form of quantum jumping. She connected with a version of herself that had already completed the story. Sarah, a school teacher, practiced quantum jumping by visualizing herself as a confident public speaker. Over weeks, she noticed small but significant changes. She became more assertive, relaxed, and engaging during lessons. Her consciousness borrowed qualities from her parallel self, transforming her real-world behavior. These examples show that quantum jumping is practical, not just mystical. You can apply it in relationships and personal growth.
There are several techniques to practice quantum jumping. All of them involve relaxation, focus, and imagination. Sit in a quiet place. Close your eyes and imagine a portal or staircase in front of you. Step into the portal and see a room where another version of you exists. Observe that self, how they move, think, and behave. Ask for guidance or skills. Step back and integrate what you learned into your current life. Stand in front of a mirror. Look deeply into your eyes. Imagine the reflection is your parallel self. Ask questions, request advice, or observe their confidence. Pay attention to subtle feelings or thoughts that arise. This helps you communicate with alternate versions of yourself. Write a letter to your parallel self. Describe a problem or goal and ask how that version of you would handle it. Write intuitively. Over time, your subconscious will provide insights, solutions, or new perspectives. Before sleeping, visualize the life you want. See yourself achieving your goals, feeling the emotions, and living in that reality. Sleep allows your subconscious mind to integrate these experiences, subtly guiding your actions in real life. You can combine meditation, mirror work, and journaling for more powerful results. For example, meditate to enter a relaxed state, visualize your parallel self, then write down the guidance you receive. This amplifies the connection and helps you apply insights practically. You notice sudden solutions to problems. Small synchronicities appear in daily life. You feel more confident and aligned with your goals. Subtle changes occur in decision-making and perception. And intuition becomes stronger and more reliable. These signs usually appear gradually, but consistency in practice increases their frequency and impact. Quantum jumping draws inspiration from both physics and neuroscience. Many worlds theory suggests that all possible outcomes exist in parallel realities. Every decision creates a new branch of reality. Some scientists and spiritual teachers suggest that consciousness can access information beyond the present moment. Mental rehearsal activates the same brain regions as real practice. This is why imagining success or guidance from a parallel self can lead to real-world changes. Together, these concepts support the idea that our mind can reach into possibilities and bring them into our current life. Quantum jumping works best with the right mindset. Stay grounded. Avoid using it to escape reality. Focus on learning, growth, and improvement. Keep a journal to track insights and experiences. Meditate before and after sessions to stay centered. And respect your limits and mental health. Practicing quantum jumping consistently can improve confidence and decision-making, boost creativity and problem-solving, increase alignment with goals and purpose, strengthen intuition and inner guidance, help you learn from experiences that your parallel selves have mastered, and enhance personal growth and self-awareness. Here's a simple quantum jumping exercise. Sit in a quiet, comfortable place. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Visualize a door or staircase in front of you. Step through and see a version of yourself living the life you want. Observe how they act, think, and feel. Ask them for guidance or skills. Step back into your current reality and write down what you learned. And apply these insights in your daily life. Infinite versions of you exist in parallel realities. Quantum jumping is the practice of connecting with these selves to access knowledge, confidence, and skills. Visualization, meditation, journaling, and mirror techniques are effective tools. Real-life examples from athletes, artists, and ordinary people show it works. It can improve intuition, creativity, confidence, and alignment with life goals. Practice consistently, stay grounded, and approach it as a tool for growth. Quantum jumping teaches us that reality is flexible and full of possibilities. Every choice creates a new branch of experience. By connecting with parallel selves, you can borrow knowledge, energy, and confidence from these alternate realities. Your mind is the key. Your consciousness can reach beyond time and space. Step into the life you've always dreamed of by exploring the infinite versions of yourself. Start today. Visualize, meditate, and interact with your parallel self. Bring that guidance, confidence, and skill back into your life. The possibilities are limitless, and the journey is waiting.